Good day, I'm Carrie Ann Smith, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, March 5. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller is speaking out against the murdering of the nation's children and has made a strong appeal to parents to ensure their children's safety.
Keep your children close to you. It is sad for every time you hear a child murdered. And it's happening one too many every time. We have a responsibility as a nation to stand up for the protection of our children. They are the future.
Mrs. Simpson Miller also had a word of warning for the murderers.
You can hide from man, you can hide from woman, but you cannot hide from God.
The Prime Minister's comments come in the wake of the recent gruesome murder of 14-year-old Donald Quarry High student Kay Alicia Simpson. Both the Ministry of Youth and Education have since mobilized resources to help the girls' home and school communities. A new state-of-the-art infant school is to be built in the southwest St. Andrew community of Union Gardens for the start of the 2015-2016 academic year in September. The school is being established through a major public-private partnership at a cost of approximately $70 million. It will result in the merger of 3 basic schools in the community and will house 150 students aged 3 to 6 years. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller addressed the launch Wednesday evening and declared that this was an amazing initiative designed to bring new life to the community of Union Gardens.
What better way is there to truly impact a community than through the construction of an infant school? What better way is there to ensure that all our children can have the best start, the best opportunity for success, thereby preparing them to make a real contribution to their families, to their communities, and to their country.
Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites said the project served as a model for the development of a modern early childhood sector.
Inadequate early childhood institutions, basic schools, could be merged into solid preparatory institutions of the highest fashion, affordable for all our people, that we have adopted this as being a national way forward.
Students of the new school will benefit from free tuition, free transportation to and from school, and free hot lunch daily. It's being built with ramps to accommodate children with disabilities. Science and Technology Minister Philip Paulwell is asserting that government will deliver on its promise of number portability by the end of May this year. At a function this week, the minister said number portability was among the conditions government imposed for the Lime Flow merger. He emphasized that Jamaica would not return to a telecommunications monopoly.
I want to assure you that as the person was involved in liberalizing and making sure that in whatever joint ventures that emerge, that there is the preservation of competition.
Number portability will allow cellular phone users to carry their numbers across ports when they switch their service providers. Over 6,000 residents in surrounding communities of Ureton and Mount Rossa in St. Catherine are now able to receive potable water as a result of a major project undertaken there. Portfolio Minister Robert Pickersgill recently commissioned into service the Mount Rossa Ureton Water Supply Improvement Project, which is valued at over $460 million. The project had several components, including the rehabilitation of the Mount Rossa distribution pipeline and repairs to the Mount Rossa and Ureton reservoirs.
Supply and install electromechanical pumping equipment for the Mount Rossa relief station. The project also undertook the installation of 1,500 meters, including the infrastructure to enable legal connections for persons who were previously obtaining water illegally.
Residents were encouraged to pay their water bills on time so that the National Water Commission could maintain the system. Even though the Mount Rossa Ureton Water Supply Improvement Project was a difficult undertaking due to the hilly terrain of the communities, the minister said the project was completed on time and within budget. And finally, Tax Administration Jamaica, TAJ, is reminding business operators that their income tax annual returns for 2014 and their estimated income for 2015 are due by March 15. Companies and self-employed persons are therefore urged to file their returns early to avoid the last-minute rush. Those who file their income tax returns after the due date will receive a $5,000 penalty for each month that the taxes are overdue. Unregulated companies and self-employed individuals will meanwhile qualify for an employment tax credit once they file and pay their tax returns on time. TAJ has been assisting several small business operators across the island through its special taxpayer assistance program. For more information, call 1-888-TAX-HELP or visit jamaicatax.gov.jm. And that's it for GIS News today. I'm Carrie Ann Smith. Thanks for watching.